Okay, what is ROAS for the shopping campaign with below data, please? Calculate and confirm. Is it 350 or I'm doing something wrong? Now, those of you watching online, you might find this difficult to read. So, what I'm going to say to you is CTR, okay, conversion rate, average order value, average CPC, bounce rate, search impression share, and CPM. So ROAS, what's the meaning of ROAS? Return on ad spend. How much return are you getting on your ad spend, right? So the formula for this is conversion value divided by cost. So if you had $100 worth of conversion value and you spend $10 as ad spend, you have 10x your ROAS, right? 10 times your return. So from the chart, from the screenshot which you've uploaded, you don't have both these metrics. You don't have the conversion average order value we have, but we don't know how many orders have you got, right? You don't have that. So you don't have the conversion value, neither you have the cost. So I can't work it out. So if you can go into your Google Ads account, take the conversion value divided by the ad spend, you'll get your ROAS.